You can erase all your QuickBooks Online company data and start over if you need to. How just depends on how long you've had your subscription. If you've had your subscription for more than 60 days, then cancel your subscription. Select Settings, Account and Settings, and then the Billing and Subscription tab. In the QuickBooks Online box, select Cancel Subscription. That's it. Just sign up for a new account and start over. QuickBooks will hold onto your old data for up to a year. If your subscription is less than 60 days, then edit the URL and replace Homepage with Purge Company and hit Enter. This will delete all your company data, so make sure that's what you want to do. Once you're ready, type Yes in the box and select OK. You'll get a confirmation message from QuickBooks, and then you can start entering in your new company data. If you run into issues doing this, try the steps again in incognito mode.